What's up, people? I'm back in my kitchen. Warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up. I literally don't know what it is, but every time I turn on the camera, I have to like warm up. You know, like Sharpay in High School Musical with her brother, that before going on stage, it would be like, that's me before I actually start filming, so warm up. So today I'm gonna be doing a vegan scramble recipe. Love to eat vegan food. I'm not vegan, so I don't want to label myself vegan. I don't want to label myself pescatarian. I've been 3 weeks without eating meat. I think 4 actually, but I don't want to label myself a pescatarian yet because I just started and I just don't want to label myself. I just really want to stop eating meat for my health. I would say for the animals, but since I still eat fish, I don't want people to attack me and be like, oh my god, but what about the fish? So yeah, I'm just doing it because it's overall better for yourself, your health, for the environment, the world, everything. However, I still do eat eggs, cheese, not quite there yet, and fish as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you my vegan scramble recipe, which I also like to call vegan Perico for those of you who are Venezuelan and eat arepa with Perico. Really yummy. I think I've mastered making it taste pretty similar to actual Perico, like egg, the ones that they use in the arepas. So I don't know, I think it's really good. Let me just get started. Eating an onion, tomato, vegan butter. I mean, you can obviously use non-vegan of your choice if you want, but that's what I use. Cracked black pepper or whatever black pepper of your choice. Turmeric, this is great for you, and it also what helps with the coloring. Pink Himalayan salt, and this is totally optional. I use spinach, and today I want to add mushroom. I don't normally add mushroom, but today I feel like doing it, so I'ma do it. And extra firm tofu. I'm pretty sure you can use firm, but I got extra firm. I don't think I saw the regular one. Actually, I don't even know if I was paying attention. So my secret to getting this to taste as similar to Perico as possible is by cooking it as I normally would make scrambled eggs, okay? So I saute the onion in butter, like so. And I kind of just wait till they start getting a little bit light. And then I add the rest of the vegetables, which is the tomato. Today I'm adding mushrooms, and I'm gonna chop up some spinach as well. And I just wanna say, as I say in most videos, I'm not a professional, nothing. Not professional cook, not professional makeup artist, not professional anything. I just simply like to share stuff that I like with people. I'm gonna add the rest of the vegetables. I put it on like lowish medium, by the way. There was a medium and I just put it down a little bit under medium. I'm gonna add the rest of the veggies. So next I'm gonna get some spinach and chop it up as well. Just little pieces. I would normally use another knife, but my wonderful boyfriend, I don't know what he did with the other big knife, so this is what we got. I add the spinach last though. So next I'm gonna add the tofu, and I just crumble it up with my hands as much as you can, like this. And I just kind of crumble it a little bit more like this with my spatula, as much as I feel is necessary. Maybe mix it up a little bit with the rest of the ingredients. Sorry, I'm putting it on medium now. We're just a little bit under medium. I don't like my stuff to burn, you know? Okay, and now is when I begin to add my seasonings. I'm gonna add my ground turmeric. This is what helps to give that eggy color. Cracked black pepper. Of course, my pink Himalayan salt. And I mix it all up. And if you need to add more seasoning, you kind of just go along and see how much you need. Delicious, y'all. Here I add my spinach, which it turns into nothing. This is optional, as I said, but I like spinach. I don't mind spinach. I like vegetables. If I could add more vegetables to this, I would, and you totally can. Just mix it all together. And this is super freaking quick, okay? Like, this is literally almost done. I'm just gonna wait for the spinach to get a little bit smaller. I don't know about you, but to me, this looks so good and it smells amazing, okay? If you want to make it a little bit more eggier, you can add shredded cheese, which is what I would normally do to scrambled eggs, but I don't feel like eating cheese. I'm trying to cut down on the cheese, so I'm not gonna do that for this recipe. But you totally can do that, it's fun. You can eat this with toast, fajita, your choice of bread, arepa. I'm gonna eat it with an arepa that's not actually made of harina pan. It's made of yuca with chia seeds, so it's a little bit more healthier. So good, gotta try it. But yeah, so this is the final result. Oh, I'm so excited to eat it. It smells so good. I'm not gonna say that it's exactly like scrambled egg. It's obviously tofu. It's much softer, but I'm gonna say something, but I completely forgot what I was gonna say in the midst of this trying out the food. Oh, I'm eating it with arepa. Well, this isn't an actual arepa, it's a yuca arepa. And I add this cheese. Vegan cheese. This is from Daya. I only use half of one though. It's dairy-free, gluten and soy-free. But I don't like to overdo it with the fake cheeses and the fake meats and stuff like that. No, like to me, this is so freaking good. Like, yes. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed. If you try out the recipe, let me know, tag me, whatever, or let me know through DM. I don't know, whatever. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, beautiful night, whenever it is that you're watching this. Mwah.